Good morning, student. This is our apparatus of meter bridge. So this apparatus is very useful as a practical exam as well as in theory. Into this apparatus there is a wooden plank. This is wooden plank. Over this wooden plank, copper strips are arranged. These are copper strips. Here there is a 1 meter resistance wire. Due to this resistance wire, because the length of this resistance wire is 1 meter, that's why this apparatus is known as meter bridge. If the length of this wire is not 1 meter, then this apparatus will be known as a slide wire bridge. Into the practical of meter bridge, we have to use following apparatus. This is galvanometer. Galvanometer is an instrument by which we can detect the current into the circuit or measure very small current. Here one more apparatus. This is resistance box. Into resistance box there are so many plugs, but when we taken out one plug, suppose this is 1 ohm resistance, here is 2 ohm resistance. So when we taken out 2 ohm resistance, it means 2 ohm resistance will come into the circuit. Here if we use one more resistance, then 4 ohm resistance will come into the circuit. If we use this, if we remove this plug, then 5 plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, this is 9. So 9 ohm resistance is into the circuit. Achha, how can you say that this resistance is come into the circuit? I want to explain you, because this is the plug. The upper end is made of by plastic. This is an insulated body, and this one is copper. So this is a metallic body. When we insert the plug, then current will pass through these copper. So no resistance into the circuit. But when we taken out one plug, then current will passes. There is a resistance just below to this hole. So current will pass to this hole. So when we taken out the plug, it means resistance is come into the circuit. There is a battery eliminator. This time we are using only 2 volt potential difference into the circuit. In place of battery eliminator, we can use a cell. Now this instrument, our meter bridge, is ready for the reading. To take the reading, first of all we will take out a suitable resistance from the circuit. Suppose we taken out 1 ohm resistance from the circuit, and now we will move the jockey over the wire. When we move, this is the jockey. When we move the jockey over the wire, then deflection of the galvanometer will change. Suppose first you put here and then see the deflection. Deflection is here. Now you put the key at this end, and now again see the deflection. The deflection will be in opposite direction. See, deflection will be in opposite direction. It means your circuit is correct. Now you taking out a suitable resistance from the resistance box and take the reading. Suppose you taking out 2 ohm resistance and move the jockey over the wire. When you move the jockey over the wire, and the deflection, when we move the jockey over the wire, move the jockey over the wire. When we move the jockey over the wire, then deflection, see the deflection, when the deflection will come 0, this is 0, then this is the reading. Suppose this time deflection will be at 36. So 0 to 36 is P and 100 minus 36 is Q. Similarly, we will take out different resistance from the resistance box and take the reading from all the resistance. Thank you.